return to the Greek islands, right? And I always bring something new, something that's like a spice. Here's the recipe. Now you're gonna put some spice in it. This year, I have an electronic skateboard. This whole playlist began with me forgetting the electronic skateboard at the house, making a decision that I wanted it. Yeah, racing back to go get it, spending $150 in taxi money, but to retrieve it and to recover what my original idea and the dream was, that I wanted an electronic skateboard for this trip. Well, the one that I wanted was $1,400. And that price is as steep as the hills here. Nice, right? Came in here because I know the sound is better. All right, so I brought a skateboard. This time it's an electronic skateboard. At home, I've been practicing. You ready? So I purchased an electronic skateboard for my trip, and the day of the trip is not when you practice. I'm trying to learn the logistics of how to do this and this at the same time. Okay, push off. Okay. Engage. What's interesting about this showtime is because I will be controlling the remote, a drone, and a camera. I only have two hands. Oh, that seems good. That seems good. Okay, I want to do what I don't want to do, but when it comes time to edit, I'll be glad I did this. All right, look at my knee. My shirt. Look at my elbow. So what are you thinking? You think I fell off my skateboard? I didn't fall off my skateboard, but it's all because of the skateboard. It is so windy. I was doing some filming. I launched the drone, okay? And it's going to the water because of the wind, like a kite. Yeah, so I was in a panic to get the drone back before it flies back to China. And I tripped over the gravel. Okay, so I'm back to deal with my battle wounds. I have battle wounds. Battle wounds. Yeah. You know, I had a friend of mine a while back who taught me to reframe that. You're having an event, you're having a special occasion, and something happens. Rains on the wedding, you fall off your skateboard in Patmos. And you at first just think, oh my God, this is ruined. And he said, no, it just got better. It just got better. Number one, you have to reframe it right then. But years from now, you'll realize that's what you remember. You know, back in the day, like a Bette Davis movie, they'd say something, but then they'd slap your face, right? The slap reinforces the say. The slap helps you remember. Yeah. Well, I got slapped today, right? Not too hard. Not too hard. But it's like if I was a chef, we just put some awesome ingredients that gave this plate some flavor. So I have cleaned and licked my wounds, and let's do what I came here to do. welcome back. So my understanding is this video is all about me and the skateboard, but now I'm going to the water. But you have to understand, this is like their pharmacy. And because I have battle wounds, just for the record, I did not fall off my skateboard. I fell because of the drone. But there's another island coming up. There's plenty of time to, as my friend said, it just got better. Look. Medicine. Future, it's not going to be enough. The only saving grace is you're going to remember that you soaked up every possible experience. You didn't take it for granted. Okay, one more thing. I'm following some people on Instagram, but they're in Mykonos. All right, I've been there before. Been there twice. They're in Mykonos, and I'm watching their holiday. And you know, every holiday is subjective, and it's what they like. I'm not making a comment that one thing's better than the other. It's just they're in Mykonos, and every video and every photo, it's either a chase lounge or a restaurant. Chase lounge or a restaurant. Consuming food, consuming drinks, consuming food, consuming drinks. Then they have these hashtags, and it's Mykonos adventure. Living my best life. You know what the definition of adventure means? Adventure? Adventure means surviving something, taking yourself out of comfort zone. Something sometimes with peril. Meeting challenges? Well, you didn't get gout? Oh, yeah, here we go. I know, at the risk of sounding preachy. Yeah, that's just not who I am. Just an observation. Two different types of people. That's them. This is me.